Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear Hazur, my name is Samar Ahmed Khan and I am from Darul Aman region. Pyare Hazur, my question is, in this pandemic, life has changed due to staying at home and overall stress atmosphere has increased. We cannot go to the mosque, we can't attend any at the physical activities. Dear Hazur, how should we cope with this situation and will it improve?
As long as the fear of COVID remains there, we cannot say that you will involve yourself your normal activities, or you can do your normal activities. So because as I have already told you, there is still a fear of a second variant or the recurrence of the same COVID even. Although it is said that those who have been vaccinated are secure and safe and they are immune to, but nobody is immune to this type of pandemic. If your immunity develops in one type of virus, then another variant is coming. So, but at the same time, since you are sitting at home, you should change the pattern of your activities. Involve yourself in reading books. Now, your schools have been reopened, right? Now you are going to school, so at least the activities you were doing in schools have started now. Okay? And now at least 50% or 70% of your frustration is gone or should go, right?
Yes.
The remaining 25%, when you come home, you try to spend home, so you cannot go outside to the playgrounds or do something. But most of the people nowadays do not go to the playgrounds. They would even in normal days, they would sit in front of their TV and start playing, or the iPad or iPhone, or a tablet. They will start playing games on the tablets. So the same thing you can do. But the best way of spending your time is that you should spend some time after completing your homework on the study, on reading the book of the Prophet Islam or the Jamaati literature, right? So this is how you can increase your knowledge and wisdom, religious knowledge, and increase your wisdom and increase your faith as well, right? So otherwise, at present at least, you have already coped with the situation, 75% of the situation, right? By going to school. Had your question been almost 3 months ago, then there would have been a different situation. But now the situation has changed. Now you are enjoying your schools, and go enjoy it. And when you come back home, don't try to bother your parents. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah for answering my question.
Mm-hmm.